guys, Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. So if you want to see what's in my bag, then let's go ahead and get on into it. Alright, so first, elephant in the room, I have my hair up. I haven't been able to put my hair in a ponytail for a decade. And these are just like the little baby hairs that stick out. So they're behind my ear. That's what's sticking out there. But if you don't know anything about the Glam bag, which I have a bunch of products that actually didn't fit in the bag, but we'll get to that. It's $15 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, and you're guaranteed to receive 5 deluxe size sample products. Though we usually see at least one full size product in every bag, you're not guaranteed to get any full size. You do get to make one choice around the 20-something of the month, and you always get a makeup bag. It changes every month. This is the bag for July. It's got like a faux leathery, like crocodile snakeskin feel, and then it's got like a holographic edge. I don't like this bag personally. The zipper says Ipsy. I don't like it. And there will always be a theme, which our card is in our bag, will tell us the theme. And then usually mine does have my products. Sometimes it doesn't, but usually it'll have your products. And then your bag should be a value of up to $70 plus. So our theme for July is Hot Glow Summer. July is your invitation to play with the latest evolutions in beauty. Dewy skin that outshines any filter, futuristic self-care upgrades, kaleidoscopic pops of color. Because it isn't just any summer, it's your hottest one yet. Ow. And then we got sneak peeks. So choice for August is on the 27th through the 29th of July. And then our sneak peeks, which are things that could be coming. This was one of the choices for July, so it's wild that this could be a repeat choice product. It's the What's Up Beauty Flirtique Eye and Cheek Palette. So interesting. Then we have the Beauty for Certain High Shine Lip Gloss in Siren. These are super tiny, so no thank you, and I'm not a huge lip gloss fan. And spoiler alert, I chose this for this month, so I'm not going to want that again. And then we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Rescue Recovery Balm. I would have to look more at that to figure out if I'd want that or not. So I guess we can go ahead and start, since I already told you that I did pick the What's Up Beauty. I love their packaging. The Flirtique Eye and Cheek Palette. So it is just plastic, like acrylic packaging. So this is a full-size item. It's 6.8 grams of product for $28. It has a 12-month shelf life. There is no mirror in here. And this is what she looks like. So we have 6 eyeshadows and a blush. It says here that this is a multi-use palette packed with 6 shades, 4 velvety mattes, and 2 shimmering metallics, plus a matte blush, with the perfect touch of sheen. So my thing is, so is it a satin blush? It's infused with hyaluronic acid and it is a talc-free formula to help keep your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing all day long. So let's give these some swatches. I'm first going to swatch the matte shades, and then we'll swatch the shimmers. These don't have shade names, which is fine. I really love that purple. I've never tried any What's Up Beauty eyeshadows, but I hear really good things. It's pretty soft pigment, but that doesn't mean it's not buildable. It's honestly a pretty similar color scheme to what's on my eyes today. So then let's do these 2 shimmers. Ooh, these are a beautiful formula. Ooh, yep. Yep. I like those. Those are pretty. They're kind of squishy. They're a kind of shimmer formula that I really do enjoy. And now let's swatch this blush. Ooh. Yeah, it's given satin blush. I don't know why they couldn't just say that. But it is beautiful. The tiniest bit of kick up. That's gorgeous. I'm very excited for that. So let me get these off because we need room to swatch other things. But that was beautiful. Let me know, did you pick this? I actually was pretty happy with choice, but normally when there's a palette in your choice, it's a full-size item, so. And like I said, I haven't tried anything from What's Up Beauty, so I was like, ooh, that's cute. So why not? Then we'll go with my other item that was outside the bag, and that's from Billion Dollar Beauty. Billion Dollar Brows. Okay, it's still Billion Dollar Brows. I don't know what they go by. And this is a dual-ended brush. I really like the little container that it's in, but am I going to be able to get out? There we go. So we have a dual brush. This is a full-size item as well, and it retails for $35 for this brush. So it says, 2 sides, endless possibilities. This dual-ended brush is designed to apply and blend everything from foundation and cream contour and powder highlighter. Think sharp angles and smooth finishes and touch-ups that you can actually blend. So, yes. This side is more for your cream products, your cream bronzer, your cream blush. You could do foundation, you could do things like that. That's what this side's for. And then this is more for, you could do concealer with it, your little touch-ups. It is very soft, even though it's densely packed. I'm excited. I really don't enjoy dual-ended brushes because they're just hard to store. But I am interested to try it. Can't knock it till you try it. So now we can get into everything that's actually inside the bag. So we got, oh, this guy. So this is an item that I'm not going to keep. I'm going to throw this in my drawer of items I'm saving for a giveaway. This is the Sleek Silk Repair Therapy Hair Serum. So it's just a little guy. Full size is 50 mils for 21 bucks. This guy's 30 mils, so just over half the full size. So this would be $12.60. Like therapy for your hair, this potent serum helps repair damage, boost shine, reverse dryness, and seal up split ends in just a few pumps. Thanks to jojoba oil, macadamia seed oil, squalane, and vitamin E. Honestly, it sounds fantastic, but it's just not a product. Like, I'm not going to put a hair serum in my hair, and neither will Ian, and we're just not. So, and it's something that's sealed in plastic, so it's something I can just throw in my giveaway drawer. I have been sick for days, so I am drinking Gatorade. What's your favorite Gatorade flavor? This is mine. It's Cool Blue. The original blue. Fruit Punch is my second favorite flavor, but yeah. Let's see. Next we have this guy. The Morphe Mini Bake and Set Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. So this is actually their travel size. So this is 2.6 grams, which isn't bad, I don't think. So it says, lock in your look and keep shine at bay with this baking and setting powder. Silky, talc-free formula glides on seamlessly, helping to blur pores and fine lines for a flawless natural finish that lasts up to 16 hours. I think the longest I wear my makeup is like 8 hours, so, and that's on a very rare occasion. So, it is sealed, but I do really want to try it, so I think we're going to open it so I can feel if I can open it. I'm going to see if I can open it, and then we're going to feel what the powder feels like. Okay, well, we got it open. Made a bit of a mess, but it's fine. It's a little bit, like, shiny. It feels so soft. Ooh, I'm excited. I need to put a little poof in here so it doesn't get everywhere. One moment. Alright, and last but not least, for what's in my regular bag, because I did do 2 add-ons, we have, and I'm a little annoyed about this, but it's fine. We have from Ace Beauté, and this is their contour stick in the shade Light, which honestly looks a little dark. Is the shade Light. Okay, that's not horrible. It doesn't have a scent. Do you tell me how much is in here? Because it doesn't. There isn't. It just says Deluxe Mini on Ipsy site. This isn't listed on Ace Beauté's website. There's no price information. Ooh, let me see. The card actually might be helpful for the first time ever. Yeah, the full size is $28. Okay, so this is $14. At least now I know that, and I can add $14 to my total. So that's wild that this is half the size of the full size. But it says here that if you want to get flawless sculpted definition with this creamy matte contour stick, it'll melt into the skin for a soft focus finish with no harsh lines in sight. It stays put all day for a look that's effortlessly buildable and always on point. I only own 1 cream contour bronzer right now, so I'm not mad at getting it. So, my total for my Glam bag this month is $98.60, which is wild. That's a really good bag, and I'm only not going to use 1 product, and like, I could use it. It would be good for my hair. I just, realistically, that's too much effort for me. I'm very excited about everything. So if you don't want to see the add-ons, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one. If you do, I only got 2, so we can get on into it. So the first one that I picked out, I didn't think it was going to be this tiny. It's from What's Up Beauty. I wanted to grab their mascara. So this is their Watch Me Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black. I'm not going to open it because I just got my Sephora order in, which I don't know what order you'll be seeing videos, but I did points, and I got like 8 mascaras, and I don't know which mascara I'm going to pick to open. So I'm sorry, but I'm not going to open this and show you the wand. But, yeah. It says it's a mega lengthening and lash multiplying mascara that leaves you with a fully fanned out lashes in the blink of an eye. 1 swipe coats every lash in pitch black pigments that are loaded with tripeptides and vitamin B5 to help strengthen as it lengthens. And this was $3.50 and the other one was $6. So, not too shabby. And the other add-on that I got was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mini Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I got the shade 100, which is light with cool pink undertones. Oh, and the full size of the mascara is 10 mils for $23, and this guy is 3.1 mil, and like I said, I got it for $3.50, so that's a good deal. And this full size is 32 mils for $40, and I got 12 mil for $6. So, this is the shade. We're going to talk about it. It's a long-wear, shine-free, and soft matte finish that features climate-adaptive technology that flexes your skin in every environment to absorb oil instantly, reduce shine, and leave a matte finish. Non-drying and sweat and humidity resistant, instantly smooths and diffuses the look of pores. Light as air and undetectable on your skin so you always look like you. So I was in between 2 different shades. It was this and I think 130 or 120. And I had Ian look at it. I should have went to their website and looked at the shades, is what I should have done. Ian was like, I think you should get shade 100. To be fair, light with cool pink undertones is a shade that should work for me. I teeter between fair shades that are cool and or rosy, depending on like what their undertone is. Because I have a cool undertone. I'm either fair or light, depending on like what their shade range is. But like, I feel like this is gonna be ghostly, so it's got just a squeeze application. Oh, you're runny. Oh, buddy. Okie dokie. Oh, it smells good. It kind of smells like cake. Okay. It feels nice. It's a very nice formula. There was a lot that came out, so I'm kind of rubbing in it a little bit, but okay, it's not the worst thing in the world. Is it pale? Yes. So like right now in the dead of summer, am I going to try this and wear it? No. But come November, and to be fair, maybe I could put it on and just bronze it up. I'll have to try it. It is just a mini, and that's my bad. So, those are my add-ons. That is everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag and add-ons for the month of July. And, yeah, I appreciate it. Let me know, were we bag twins? What did you think of this month's bag? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.